Imagine this. One of the biggest names in the automotive industry is about to drop a game-changing announcement that could redefine its future. And no, it's not just another update. It's being called a Model T moment, a nod to the revolutionary vehicle that put Ford on the map over a century ago. Intrigued yet? You should be. On August 11th, all eyes will be on the Louisville Assembly Plant, LAP, in Kentucky, where Ford executives are set to unveil something big. The event is scheduled to kick off at approximately 10:20 a.m., and it's not just Ford brass who will be present. Joining them will be high-profile figures, including Kentucky officials and other key stakeholders. But here's where it gets controversial. What exactly does a Model T moment mean in today's rapidly evolving automotive landscape? Is Ford setting itself up for another century of dominance? Or are they taking a risky leap into uncharted territory? Ford CEO Jim Farley, who has already teased this announcement, seems confident that this will be a historic milestone for the company. To put this into perspective, the Model T wasn't just another car when it launched in 1908. It revolutionized transportation by making automobiles affordable and accessible to the average person. This time around, all signs point to Ford doubling down on electric vehicles, EVs, with rumors swirling about significant investments aimed at boosting production capabilities and accelerating innovation. But what makes this announcement so special? It's not just about unveiling a new product or model. It's about vision. For Ford, this could signal a major shift towards sustainable mobility solutions, aligning the company more closely with global efforts to combat climate change. With governments worldwide pushing for stricter emission standards and consumers increasingly leaning toward eco-friendly options, this move couldn't come at a better time. And this is the part most people miss. The ripple effects of such an announcement can reshape entire industries, influencing everything from supply chains to workforce dynamics. Of course, not everyone may agree on whether Ford's strategy is bold or overly ambitious. Some might argue that transitioning too quickly to EVs risks alienating loyal customers who still prefer traditional combustion engines. Others might question if the infrastructure needed to support widespread EV adoption, like charging stations, is truly ready for prime time. So, we have to ask, is Ford ahead of the curve? Or are they biting off more than they can chew? As details continue to trickle out, one thing is certain. This announcement has the potential to spark conversations far beyond the walls of the Louisville Assembly Plant. What do you think? Will Ford's latest move solidify its place as an industry leader? Or is the road ahead filled with challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take.